there, this is Teacher Cris and I would like to welcome you to writing class. In our past lessons, we have talked about how to write different structures of sentences. So these are simple, compound, and compound complex. So when we had our exercises, I have seen that you can write those structures already. But there is one thing I would like to teach you, and that is how to correct fragments and run-on sentences. Okay, let us define first what is a fragment sentence and what is a run-on sentence. Okay, from the word itself, fragment means just a part. So meaning to say it's not complete. So when you write a sentence in this way, for example, the cute boy, do you understand it? I believe not, because this words needs more words to be complete. So remember, we define a sentence that it has to have a subject, it has to have a verb, and it doesn't end there. It has to have a complete thought. In this case, when we just say the cute boy, we only have a subject and we need a verb to complete the sentence, okay? So when you see a sentence like this, it is a fragment only, okay? It's just a part of a sentence. Another way is always late. So when we say it's always late, in here you can obviously see that it has no subject. So when your sentence has no subject, it is considered a fragment. It is just a part of a complete sentence. So in that way, what do you need to do? You have to add a subject. Another is when we have what we call dependent clause. So a dependent clause, it looks like a sentence because it has a subject and it has a verb. However, it does not have a complete thought. Let's take a look at the example. Because he can't wake up. Do you understand it? Maybe some part, but we don't understand it completely. Alright, so it needs an independent clause or a simple sentence to make the thought complete. Alright, so those are the things that we need to remember to correct our fragments and create into a complete sentence. Okay? Alright, now let's move on to run-on sentences. So what is a run-on sentence? A run-on sentence is two or more sentences put together, but they are not correctly punctuated or they are not correctly joined. So let's take a look at the examples so that we may know how to correct them when we see one. Let's take a look at James was late, he missed the bus. Okay, what do you think about this sentence? Is it correct? Okay, let's take a look. James was late, we have a sentence, and then he missed the bus, there is another sentence. So normally, if you will still remember what we have learned in the past, when we have two sentences, we have to join them correctly, right? So how do we correct them? So in this case, we have two sentences. We need one, we can need a conjunction. We will be needing a conjunction to put them together. However, in this kind of sentence, there is no conjunction that joins the two sentences. Therefore, it is considered a run-on sentence. Okay? How to fix it? There are three ways to fix a run-on sentence. First one is simply by separating the two sentences as individual sentences. So meaning to say, let's just make two simple sentences. And that is one way to correct it. Okay, another is using a semicolon. Do you know what a semicolon is? Okay, a semicolon will separate the two sentences, however, it will be grammatically correct. That is another way. And the last one to correct it is to write a conjunction. James was late, and then we write a conjunction. So we put the conjunction so. Let's read it again. James was late, so he missed the bus. Alright? So those are just simple ways to correct your run-on sentences. So next time, we will be dealing about the comma splice, which is equally simple as it is. Okay, so I hope you have learned today. So see you next time. Bye.